Welcome to our in-depth review of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, Google's latest flagship smartphone that promises to redefine the high-end market with its premium features and cutting-edge technology. Priced at $999, this device is positioned as a significant player in the competitive landscape of flagship phones. In this comprehensive review, we will delve into the Pixel 9 Pro XL's design, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and overall value. Our goal is to provide a thorough evaluation to help you decide if this premium phone is worth the investment. Design and build quality. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL stands out with its sleek and modern design. At first glance, the phone exudes a premium aesthetic that is both elegant and sophisticated. The 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display is a visual feast, delivering stunning colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness. This high-resolution screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations, enhancing your overall viewing experience. The build quality of the Pixel 9 Pro XL is impressive, featuring a robust frame and a protective glass finish. The design also incorporates a refined camera module and a new, stylish color palette that adds to the phone's premium appeal. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's custom-designed Tensor G4 chip. This latest iteration of Google's proprietary processor promises lightning-fast performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running resource-intensive applications. The Tensor G4 chip is engineered to handle demanding tasks with ease, providing a seamless and responsive user experience. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL's 5,000 mAh battery capacity is designed to deliver all-day performance. While the battery life is promising, real-world usage will ultimately determine its endurance. The phone's battery performance is expected to be competitive, but we will test it under various scenarios to provide a more accurate assessment. Fast charging capabilities are also a key consideration for users on the go. The Pixel 9 Pro XL supports rapid charging, which is essential for today's fast-paced lifestyle. At a price point of $999, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is positioned as a premium smartphone. This pricing strategy places it in direct competition with other high-end flagship devices from leading manufacturers. To justify its premium price tag, the Pixel 9 Pro XL must offer compelling value propositions, including exclusive features, innovative software, and superior camera performance. Stay tuned for our full review, where we will provide a definitive verdict on whether the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is truly worth its $999 price tag. Our review will include detailed performance benchmarks, camera comparisons, and real-world usage scenarios to give you a complete picture of this flagship device.